am a queen in all my glory, writing my own story. Bow down world and see my reign, for I am a queen again.
At ako'y nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, kung ang taong nagpapakataas, ang siyang ipinababa. Ang taong nagpapakababa, ang siyang itinataas. My name is Alex Manzano once again, and I'm proud to represent Barangay 2-1. Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and
Tonight is the celebration of beauty, diversity, and self-identity. And this is the 11th testament that we, LGBT, is part of what we call society. Naimbag, naragsak, kun napintas tayo amin apo, or should I say, masantos, yalabi. Inatnaro, Labrador. I am Juval Christian Cristales Palamos, and I am 22. And I do believe that being true to yourself is the best thing that you can give to yourself. Natan yalabi, mantila kaya kasabihan. Nusayit nol at batak, itnol, yapuguman. Basta itnol at ambalanga, itnol, maalat man. No sa itnol at amputi, nanlapot, poultry man. No sa itnol at kulay brown, minded, native iman. And I am proud to representing my very own humble barangay, San Gonzalo. Thank you so much.
thank you very much to our candidate number 2.
Tonight is the celebrating of diversity. I am Princess Gian Uson, representing proud Barangay Bungalon. At ako po ay nag-iwan ng isang kasabihang ay hindi limingon sa pinanggalingan. Siya, may stiff neck. Once again, Princess Gian Uson.
Thank you very much. Lord.
A man. Thank you.
Ang tangkad niya kasi.
A man of today is a woman of tomorrow. My name is Lexi Samson Nabwa, the long-lost daughter of Councilor Nabwa. Inay! Ichiban Ichiwi, Ichiban Bachin Kokono. In English, our sexiest, prettiest, and the virgin of them all. Once again, Lexi Samson, proudly representing Barangay Poblacion. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Once again is your candidate number 4.
Miss niyo ba ako?
Oo nga, parang babae.
Hindi ko marinig. Na-miss niyo ba ako? By the way, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Beatrice Emmanuel Estrada Sison, representing the Barangay Tubuan. And I do believe in the saying that hindi mo na kailangan ng shabu, marijuana, at ano pang droga. Dahil kung sa ganda ko pa lang, books, sabog ka na, darling.
Sabog ka na, darling.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 5.